Hey YouTube, it's Elvis Ammo here. Hey, today I just wanted to give you a little warning. I'm about to load some ammo here, and I noticed that my bottle lid must to have dropped this little piece from the rim, like that, into my Dillon powder tub here, and I was noticing that I was getting about, I had diminishing results. The weight of powder in grains kept going down when I was checking my powder measure. So I just thought I would go ahead and warn people to make sure you clean the lid of your powder bottles from this little foam debris and that kind of thing. So anyway, I just thought I'd warn you guys, let you know that that this can be a problem, because it was clogging up my powder measure right here on my Dillon. So anyway, I'll be back soon. I've got plenty to talk about, and I will see you guys in the next video.